express square root of 147 in basic surd form. Solution. Now we have 147. What will be the highest perfect square number in 147? Looking at 147, the number that will go in 147, we can have 3. Now, 14 divided by 3, how many will you see? That is 4. So we remainder 2. Then we'll put the 2 in front of this 7. So we have 27. 27 divided by 3, what are we having? That is 9. So in this case, what number can go again? We have 7. 49 divided by 7, we have what? 7. 7 divided by 7, again, 1. So in this case, we can see by pairing approach, we can say that 147 will give us, look at, same number. 7 times 7, that is 49. So this is 49 times 3. 49 is the highest perfect square number we can have in 147. So we can now express this as 49 times 3. Then we can go further by applying the law of surd, which is square root of 49 times square root of 3. Then what is the square root of 49? That is 7 times square root of 3. Now what are we having? This is what? 7 root 3. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.